Listen, I know you love donuts, but you're super busy. So today, I'm gonna show you how to make amazing donuts in just 7 minutes. So that the only thing we're adding to your plate is deliciousness. So let's get started. So first we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. Then in a small bowl, whisk together 1 cup or 120 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon or 1.5 grams of salt. Then in a large bowl, combine 3 tablespoons or 42 grams of unsalted butter that you have melted, 1/4 cup or 50 grams of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1/2 teaspoon or 2 grams of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons or 40 grams of honey. And here's a little trick for honey. If you brush some oil, not that much, oh my gosh, but just a little bit of oil onto your measuring spoon and then pour the honey on top, it will pour out so easily and your spoon will stay like relatively clean, like you still have to wash it. But you know, you won't have honey sticking to your spoon. Then we're going to add some buttermilk, but if you're like literally 99% of households, you don't have buttermilk, so I'm not gonna make you go buy buttermilk just for this recipe. You can just take some regular milk, add some white vinegar to it, mix it around and let it sit for a couple minutes, and you'll see that it starts to curdle. It looks disgusting, but this is actually what you want because this is basically homemade buttermilk. And then we are going to add that to the mixture and mix until combined. Then add the dry ingredients and mix until everything is just combined. You want to make sure that you're not over mixing. Now we're going to lightly coat a donut pan with some cooking spray, and you can either spoon the batter into the pan, but what I like to do is pour the batter into a piping bag and just snip off the tip, and then we're going to pipe the batter into the pan this way. This is a super clean way of filling the pan. Oh my goodness. And fun fact, this is the viral shot. If you're posting donut videos on social media, I found that this shot of filling the pan with the donut mixture almost guarantees the video going viral. If you shoot food videos like I do, go ahead, use this tip. I wish you success. Then bake the donuts in the oven for only 7 minutes and then just turn them out onto a wire rack, and we are going to make the glaze. So if you're in a rush, you can make the glaze while they're baking. Otherwise, we are going to make them now. So in a small bowl, we are going to be adding 1 cup or 130 grams of confectioner sugar and 1/4 cup or 60 mils of 35% whipping cream. And you can add a dash of vanilla extract if you like as well. Then once the donuts are cool, just dunk them into the glaze and return them to the wire rack. So now at this point, you can either add a couple sprinkles on top, or if you have the same philosophy as me, which is more, you are just gonna dunk them completely into the bowl with sprinkles. Tell me in the comments below, which do you like better? Do you like the refined approach, or do you like just loading it on? Also, my Canadian is showing, but like, do these not look like you could get these from Tim Hortons? I think so. And if you're feeling a little thirsty, I have a 5-minute iced tea recipe that goes literally from craving to in your glass and ready to drink in less than 5 minutes. So you can make this while the donuts are still baking and still have time to relax. So I'll link that in the cards and at the end of the video for you. And I will see you guys next Friday for a new recipe. Bye!